All fighters, please into the ring and form one line.
Rainbow.
Form it in the formation of a rainbow. Curve. Are these all the fighters? Anyone missing?
Okay, ready? Let's go do the bowing. Right? Break. Bow. Face the movement. Bow face. Ready? Yawn. Break. Bow.
Thank you very much, fighters. Please prepare for your bouts.
Naka-enjoy ka ng mga
Enjoy ka lang pag kasunod ng nangarap sila ngayon. Ay, sa Lord. I'm
I think okay. At least, again, the thing I tell, but we are trying to help others. Mas ano nga may identity tayo. Okay? So, iwasan tayo na may injury, malaman tayo. Meaning to say, halimbawa, nakita yun, nananang yun, parang pugiso na. Ano yung masama? Tuluyan yun, ano? Ay, kayo ulit, realistic, regulate, ay kaya, red, malulawon. Okay? Tapos, halimbawa, napunod yung corner, natlay ka sa isa sa ito. Ano ang tanong ko na? Anong putala? Okay? Tapos, halimbawa, dito sa baba, siya matala. And then, dito lang, ano masama itutulak? Baka makakita, so, iwasan na ikaw dyan. At at least magkikita ito, safe na kami talaga po na security CCTV. Malapahan ka rin yung CCTV. Thank you so much.
In MMA, the stakes are higher, the energy is higher, and the fighters are ready. Before we begin, some words from our announcers.
Once again, we are inviting everyone to please come and watch us sport. We are running a highly amateur championship fighter show. This is powered by the Municipality of Copenhagen.
Kabin nito.
Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-consider. Mahal nila mo siya sa championship, the financial. Ano po sa mga center at ginawa namin ang mga kaya upang makapagkalaro ng para sa bantay na mga sa Pilipinas. Nang sa ganun, sama-sama po tayo promote. Ilang pag-ano para ito kami, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Sobrang po po, natutuwa po tayo, natutuwa ako. On behalf of the Bahal International Center, Ading, mamaya mo na. Tulungan natin. Ading, mamaya mo na. On behalf of the Bahal International Center, minupo namin ito, kasama ko sa Ramawasan, din si Arnold Kaduo. And then, ang po kasi mo ng Bahal International Center ay trying United Martial Arts Community dito po sa Pilipinas. Dahil po, ako po bilang atleta ng 20 years, ito po ang nakita ko ng kulang dito po sa bansa natin Pilipinas. Alam niyo po yung kulang na nakita ko? Ito po yung kailangan na naisip, yung crab mentality. Dapat po tayo mga atleta, tayong Pilipino magtulungan kung paano natin i-elevate yung ating skills. Ito po yung una-unang advokasya ng Maharlika Martial Arts Center. Pangalawa po na advokasya niya is yung we try to promote the sport fairly and equally. Yung wala po tayong pinapapurat, gym, clubs, or athletes. Kung baga nasa gitna po tayo. So, kami po sa Maharlika Martial Arts Center ay ginawa namin yung aming makakaya kapag makapag-match ng fairly and equal matching para kahit paano yung ating mga atleta dito ay magtulungan sila kung paano ma-elevate yung kanilang skills. Di po ba? Dahil po ang goal natin, ang main goal ng Pilipino ay international fight. Alam niyo po mga kababayan, nakagawa. Here in Cordillera, mostly representative of international competitions are from the Cordillera. Am I right, sir? From Cordillera. Ito po yung aming gustong gawin dito po sa Cordillera. Nasana po tayong mga Cordillera magtulungan tayo na elevate yung ating skills to prepare our athletes sa national and international competition. Yung po yung atinigay ng Maharlika Martial Arts Center. So, ngayon po, nais ko pong masalamat, lalo po sa Bupay sa Events and the Atlanta Business Industry Federation dahil po pinakatiwala sa atin itong martial arts promotion. Dahil po ang organisasyon na ito ay sila po yung in-charge sa Strawberry Festival Federal Events. Ngayon po, itong Maharlika Martial Arts Championship ay it is one of the part of the Strawberry Festival Federal Events. Again, bakit po tayo ngayon dito sa municipal gym? Dahil po, because of the help of our municipal of La Trinidad Benguet, headed by our Mayor Roderick Awina. Palapakan naman natin. And also, Mayor Gillian Balwa. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta at kayo po ay naniwala sa adigay ng Maharlika Martial Arts Center. Thank you so much to the municipality of La Trinidad Benguet for this venue. Thank you so much. Ito po pinanalayo ko ngayon ay sponsored para gamitin natin ng Cordillera Career Development Colleges para po magamit natin ito kanilang rin. So, CCDC, Cordillera College at Cordillera College, thank you so much for the use of this box. Thank you so much. May hirapan din kami mabuhay ng Maharlika Championship, Maharlika Martial Championship, kung walang tulong ang ating mga supporting sponsors, unang-una po, itong Hiraya Creative, Cafe Restaurant, yan po sa taas po, ng Latinidad. Maraming salamat po, Hiraya. Thank you so much. Pangalawa po, itong Unpromil. Thank you so much po for the support. And ito ang support for our gears that we are using for this competition. Thank you so much, Bayantong Sports. Sir, please sponsor us a bread that we are to partake later. Valley bread is the most famous bread here. Bread you can eat in Latina, that is Latina, but prepared for the day. But sir, I saw that we want to expand in La Union. So maybe soon it will be a national brand. Valley bread, thank you so much. Ayan po, meron naman po tayong Buko Juice sponsor. Ito po yung Search Fest. Coco World sponsor. For the Buko Juice. Thank you so much. Dito lang po ako sa Search Fest. Alam mo, you know sir, we are holding our first event here at the open space for the Latinidad Festival events. There's this one guy, he came to me and he said, Bro Eric, I want to sponsor your event. I said, okay, what will you sponsor? And then he told me, I will support for the Buko Juice for the athletes. So, you know the story? The other day, I went to his place, and then the thing is, I thought he has a good business, he has a big business. But when I saw him, he's holding a basket of Buko Juice. Nakalagay ka ito, nakuha niyo po yun. Maliit po na nagiging ng negosyo, nag-umpisa ng negosyo. Gusto niyang susundahan ng ating martial arts best dahil naniniwala sa mga Cordillera ng Warriors. Sobrang pagparate. Service Buko. Ayun po yung mga middle sponsors naman natin, yung disenyo for the sponsors for our medal that will be awarded later. Thank you so much, disenyo. Again, sa lahat po ng Cordillera clubs, Cordillera Warriors, Cordillera athletes, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming kayo, kaya po kaya kapag thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Maharlika Martial Center volunteers, and then